खुश रहो बिटियाओं। JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। सब्जेक्ट नेम क्रिएटिव एंड इंक्लूसिव स्कूल। सेशन नेम इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्पेशल चाइल्ड। Special education is based on the assumptions that all children are special and should receive a good education, become full active and contributing members of society. We must look at how the system can better serve all children, including children with special need who require special education and related services if they are realize their full potential. हर बच्चा जो जन्म लेता है वो चाहता है कि उसको प्रॉपर अटेंशन मिले. स्पेशल एजुकेशन इंट्रोडक्शन स्पेशल नीड्स चिल्ड्रंस who due to significant medical, physical, cognitive, emotional or learning issues require different, usually more intensive accommodations from schools and learning environments than to typical children. A special need child is a youth who has been determined to require special attention. All special childs are attention to parents, attention to friends, attention to society, attention to each person, attention to each person and specific necessities that other children do not. The state may declare the status for the purpose of offering benefits and assistance for the child's well-being and growth. Being referred to as a special needs students or disabled child is likely to make a young person feel he or she has changes that cannot be overcome. Instead, being referred to as a child with special needs or a child with a disability is labeling disability is referencing their condition and that labeling their esteem. Every child has specific potentialities. What causes special child? Special need can be caused by many factors: birth, injury, genetics, or causes we do not understand can use a child to be labeled special needs. Someone who has slight learning disabilities as well as those who are suffering from severe reattention are all lumped together. Special needs child. A special needs child is youth who has been determined to require special attention and specific necessities that other children do not. The state may declare this status for the purpose of offering benefits and assisting for the child's well-being and growth. Special needs can also be a legal designation, particularly in the adoption and fostering care community, whereas the child and guardian receive support to help them both lead productive lives. Introduction to special child. Early identification and intervention service have benefits for the child, society and economy. Helps to develop child maximum potentialities. Reduce later education cost to society. The child gains economic and living independence. Children are future of country. Each child develops differently, therefore their abilities are different. Each person, two twins are no equal, each persons are various differences. Some children may be developed ahead and some may be lag behind. Some may require extra attention, therefore provides must be sensitive and responding to the needs for children, can participate to the best of their abilities. They respect their abilities and give their path. Abilities give their path. Therefore, provides must be sensitive and responding. Some may require extra attention. Every child has right to lead, dedicate and decent life. It is important to consider their rights and value their dignity. Constitutional provisions, law, policies and programs addressing them. All students are very special, and special children focus to parents, focus to teachers and focus to society and nation. All students are living healthy life and good for their life. There says powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and also say, hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.